Troubleshooting challenge, document the network. This is the addressing table, incomplete addressing table. You will complete this table. Your employer has been hired to take over the administration of a corporate network because the previous network administrator has left the company. The network documentation is missing and needs to be recreated. Your job is to document the host and network devices, including all the device addressing and logical interconnections. You will remotely access network devices and use network discovery to complete the device table and draw the network topology. You have 7 PCs and 1 server. I will open another file on Pocket Tracer 7.3 to create, to discover the network. Okay, this Pocket Tracer 7.3. Now you have 7 PCs. Okay, PC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the server. It's called Internet Server. Okay, access PC1. Verify the IP addresses. Now this is .153. And the network address is, using the subnet mask, is 192.168.1.0. And the subnet mask 24, use that prefix. And the default gateway is 1.1. So it's connected to that one device. Obviously, it's connected using a cable, and the another side is close this, ping the default gateway if you are able to reach 192.168.1.1. Success. The default gateway is working very well. The BTY password is Cisco and privileged exit password is class. Use this command, telnet and the IP address of the destination. Remember, BTY password Cisco, enable password class. Okay, telnet the default gateway, telnet 192.168.1.1. Enter. Cisco enable class. Okay. This device branch -1. And verify what kind of device is this. Show version. I think it's a router, but how you can be sure? ISR 4321 is a router. Okay, so on that side it's a router. 4321 router. And the host name is branch-1. Branch-1. And now, discover the neighbors. Show CDP neighbors. As you can see, branch 1 has two neighbors, a switch, because it's a switch, okay, S for switch, and the host name is SWB1, and it's placed on gigabit 000. And another side, there is a router on the serial interface, and the host name of that router is a hub. It's not a hub device, it's a router, and the host name of that router is hub. You can see the switches 2960 switch, and the router is ISR 43 series, okay, 4321. And show IP route. This is confusing for now, but I want to view only the directly connected networks, the letter C. So use show IP route connected. Now you have only two directly connected networks. This subnet 192.168.10.24 place it on gigabit 000. Okay. 192.168.10.24 on gigabit 000. And gigabit 0000 is connected to the switch. Now, so the switch should be placed on this network. It's a 2960 switch. The host name is SW-B1. Okay. The router gigabit 00, and on the switch gigabit 01. Gigabit 000, and on the switch gigabit 01. Okay, you can option preferences. Okay, show port labels when mouse over. Okay, gigabit 000 to gigabit 01. And on another side, the network is 192.168.00.30 on serial interface side, and the another side. Okay. On this side, 192.168.0.0.30. And okay, on serial 010. On serial 010. And now show IP interface brief. On gigabit 000 is 1, and on serial 010 is 02. So here is that 2. Okay, on this network, that's but I want to know the IP address of this switch. So show CDP networks detail. Show CDP networks detail. And the IP address of SWB1 is 1.252. 252. And the hub router on the another side is 192.168.0.1. Okay, in the another side is that one. And it's a router 4300. Okay, to this router add a serial interface and try to access the switch 192.168.1.252. Try to access the switch. Telnet 192.168.1.252. Password Cisco enable class. And show running config. Okay, the IP address is configured on VLAN 1. Okay, here on VLAN 1. Okay. Okay, this is gigabit 01 on gigabit 00. Verify what port is connected to PC1. Show IP interface brief. Gigabit 01 is connected to the router. VLAN up is virtual interface. Fast Ethernet 1 up, so it should be connected to the PC. And that's it. Exit from SWB1. Now you are on branch router. And access to the another router, the hub router. That one, 192.168.0.1. Telnet 192.168.0.1. Cisco enable class. Show version to be is a 4321 router in hostname hub. 4321 router. Call it hub. Okay, and show CDP neighbors. A lot of neighbors, but one neighbor is branch 1. This is my local interface on hub is serial 010 in the on another side on branch 1 is serial 010. Okay, so connect that serial 010 and add interfaces here on hub router. A lot of interfaces 1, 2, 3, 4, and now make the connection local serial 010 and the another side serial 010. Okay, very good. Okay, the another neighbors are routers. All are routers. and all are 43 ISR 43 series. Show IP route. Okay, again, show CDP neighbors and show IP route space connected to only view the connected networks. Okay, the first neighbor is ISP, it's a router on gigabit 000. And on gigabit 000, the network is 192.0.20.30. Here, 192.0.20.30. Okay. Okay. Show IP interface brief. And on gigabit 000, my IP address is 192.0.21. Okay, it's 1 here. And okay, so the neighbor is an ISP router 43 on gigabit 000. This is the network, and this is my local IP. Okay, router 4321. The host name is ISP. On my local interface, gigabit 00, and another side, gigabit 00 also. Gigabit 000 and gigabit 000. Okay, that one here. I want to know the IP address in the another side. Should be 2. But you can confirm that. Show CDP neighbors detail. ISP 192.0.22. 192.0.2. Here 2. And there is another neighbor called factory router ISR 43. Okay, another router 43. Hostname factory. On local interface serial 021. Serial 021. The network is this 192.168.0.12.30. 192.168.0.12. Sorry, 0.12.30. On that interface, serial 021, my local IP is 13. Okay, here is that 13. And on another side, on factory side, is 0.14. Okay, 14. My local interface serial 021 and the another file serial 010. Okay, add a serial interface on factory. Okay, and connect 021 010 021 010. Very good. The another neighbor HQ router hostname HQ serial 020 local interface serial 020. The network is 0.8 30 0.8 30 serial 020. The IP is 9. And the another side space. The another side, the IP is 0.10. And on HQ, the local is serial 020, and on the another side, serial 10. Okay. For the neighbor HQ, the local interface on hub is serial 020, and on the another side, on HQ, serial 010. Add serial interface on HQ. Don't forget that. Serial 020, serial 010. Okay. The another is branch -2, a router. Serial 011 on hub. Serial 011 4.0 30. Sorry, 0.4 30. 0.4 30. Serial 011. And on that interface, serial 011, the IP address is 05. So here is 5. And on another side, on branch 2 side is 06. Okay, it's expected because the subnet mask is 30, only 2 available host addresses. And the connection branch at the serial interface. And the local interface on hub is serial 011, and the another side 010. 011, 010. Okay, on these interfaces. And very good. Then access using telnet to ISP 192.0.2.2. Okay, telnet 192.0.2.2. Cisco enable class. Okay. Show CDP neighbors. Okay, the only one neighbor is hub, this router. And show IP route connected. There are two networks. The local network. There are two networks on gigabit 00, 192.0.20, on gigabit 000, 192.0.20, and on gigabit 001, 203.0.113.0.24. Okay, on the another side, 203.0.113.0.24. Show IP interface brief. On gigabit 001 is 203.0.113.1. Okay, here is 1 on gigabit 001. Okay, okay, and look at the IP address of the server. 203.0.113.27 is included on this network. So the internet server is 27. Okay, show CDP neighbor says there is only one neighbor, so there are no switches between the server and the ISP. So the connection is a direct connection and use gigabit 001. Gigabit 001. Very good. Now exit from ISP. Now access factory 192.168.0.14. Telnet 192.168.0.14. Cisco enable class. Show CDP neighbors. Okay. Two neighbors, and they are switches, and the third neighbor is hub, the router, this router. And the neighbor switches are 2960 switches. Okay, two neighbors, two 2960 switches, one here, another here. The hostname SWF1 -F1 SW-F2 my local interface gigabit 00 on factory gigabit 000 and on SWF gigabit 01 gigabit 000 to gigabit 01. And for SWF2 gigabit 001 on router and on switch gigabit 01 gigabit 001 gigabit 01. Very good. And review what is the network. Show IP route. Sorry, show CDP neighbors. Show IP route connected. 3 directly connected networks. This network 012 on serial interface, 012 on serial interface for gigabit 000 3.0.24. For gigabit 000 for gigabit 000 3.0.24. And for gigabit 001 4.024 and 4 gigabit 001 4.024. Okay, but I want to know the IP address of the switches. Show CDP neighbors detail. Okay, for SWF1 3.252. Okay, .252. And for SWF2 4.252. 4.252. And finally, enter to SWF1 telnet 192.168.3.252. Cisco enable class show running config. IP is configured on VLAN 1. VLAN 1. And show IP interface brief. Gigabit 01 is connected to router, so it's up. And VLAN 1 virtual interface up. And up for fast Ethernet 1 and should be connected to an end device. Okay, to a PC on fast Ethernet 1. And what PC is this? A PC that should be included on 3.0 network. Okay, and search PC2, for example, 3.50, 24, and this is included. PC2 is included on this network. So place PC2 here. It's connected to fast Ethernet 1 on the switch. Okay, fast Ethernet 1 on the switch. And the IP address is 3.50. Very good. Now, exit from SWF1, access to SWF2 4.252. 4.252. Cisco enable class show running config. IP address from VLAN 1. Show IP interface brief. Gigabit 01 connected to router, virtual interface, fast Ethernet 1 up. There is only one end device connected to fast Ethernet 1. But what device is? A device included on 4.0 network, PC3 4.115. Subnet mask 24 is included on this network. So PC3 should be placed here and is connected to fast Ethernet 1 on the switch. And the IP address is 115. Very good. Exit from the switch. Exit. Now you are on factory. Exit from factory. Exit. Now you are on hub. here, and from hub access to HQ. 192.168.0.10 0.10 Cisco enable class. Show CDP neighbors. Show IP route connected. Show IP interface brief. Okay, two neighbors. Hub up here and a switch SWHQ1 2960 switch. Okay, HQ1 2960 switch here. SWHQ1 and its local interface on HQ is a subinterface gigabit 000.1 and on the switch gigabit 01. Okay, gigabit 000 to gigabit 01. And my IP address on gigabit 0001 is 6.1. Okay, gigabit 000 has 3 sub interfaces. Okay, gigabit 000 has 3 subnets. So it's using subinterfaces to support VLANs. Only on gigabit 000, 3 sub-interfaces using VLANs. And this another connection is the connection to hub the network 192.168.0.8. 192.168.0.8, the connection to hub using serial interface. So here there are 3 subnets. Okay, 192.168.5.0 subnet mask 25, 192.168.5.128 subnet mask 25, and 192.168.6.0 subnet mask 24. 3 subnets. So here are 3 IP addresses. On gigabit 000 there are 3 IP addresses. These IP addresses on show IP interface brief command 6151 and 5129. 51, 5129 and 61. Okay, here all on gigabit 000, so you can specify the gigabit 000.5 at 10 and that one. Okay, very good. This is the subnets. These are the subnets. And I want to know the IP address of SWHQ1. Show CDP neighbors detail. SWHQ1 6.252. Okay, so 192.168.6.252. Okay, access using telnet. Telnet 192.168.6.252. Cisco enable class. Show running config. Configured on VLAN 1. The IP address configured on VLAN 1. And show CDP neighbor. Show IP interface brief. Okay, port channels. Fast Ethernet 1 up, 19 up, 20 up, 23, 24 up, gigabit tier 1 up, and virtual interface up. So there are a lot of interfaces up, and port channels indicates that maybe there are connections to another switches. So show CDP neighbors. Okay, this is only one neighbor, HQ is this router, because it's connected to three different sub interfaces and the physical interface. And don't worry about that, already done. It just is HQ. But SWHQ2 has two connections on Fast Ethernet. Port channel 1 is the local interface, and another side, Fast Ethernet 19 and Fast Ethernet 20 is a switch 2960. But also has another here, SWHQ2. Okay, is the port channel. Port channel is a virtual interface, so this is virtual. The real connection is this, using on SWHQ1, the local interface is port channel 1. But on the another side, on SWHQ2, there are two physical connections, two real connections, on Fast Ethernet 19 and Fast Ethernet 20. This connection to SWHQ port channel to port channel is virtual. Okay, and SWHQ2 is a switch. Okay, switch 2960. And SWHQ2 is switch 2960. SWHQ. Okay, two connections to, on the another side, 19 and 20. Okay, on this side, 19 and 20. With port channel 1 is virtual, so I don't know what interfaces are using SWHQ1. So you can review on show running configuration. Channel group 1 belongs to port channel 1, 19 and 20. Okay, so 19 and 20 on local interface on SWHQ1, and on another side, 19 and 20 for SWHQ2. Another way to view is show Ether channel summary. So you can see port channel on SWHQ1 is using 19 and 20. Okay, 19 here, 19 and on the another side, 20 here, 20 in the another side. Very good. 19 and 20. But there is also another neighbor, SWHQ3, switch 2960. SWHQ3. Okay, this is SWHQ2, SWHQ3. Okay, port channel 3 to 24 and SWHQ3, port channel 3 to port channel 3 to 3 is virtual, and the real connection, the physical connection, is this fast Ethernet 24 on the another side, and SWHQ3 23 on the another side. Port channel 3 on SWHQ1 23 and 24. So 23 and 24 on SWHQ1, and the another side 23 and 24. This is only a virtual connection, okay? 23, 24. Very good. And no more neighbors. Here there is a lot of lights, but only 3 neighbors here. Only 3 neighbors with a lot of virtual connections. Now, but I want to know the IP addresses on the switches SWHQ2 and SWHQ3. Show CDP neighbors detail. Okay. HQ is the router, not problem. SWHQ2 6.253. Okay. .253. HQ3 6.254. Okay, use telnet to access 6.253. 181.68.6.253. Cisco enabled class. Now you are on SWHQ2. Show running config. IP on VLAN 1. Show IP interface brief. For channel 1 and 2 are virtual ports. Fast Ethernet up. 19, 20, 21, 22 up. Virtual interface up. Many connections. So many connections, but verify here. 19, 20, 21, and 22 are trunks. Trunk. Fast Ethernet 1 is access. So access means should be placed for an end device like a PC, and is configured on VLAN 5. Okay, on VLAN 5. Okay, here is use show VLAN brief. 3 belongs 5, 10, and 99. If you see the sub interfaces, 5 belongs to 5.1. So this is VLAN 5 accounting. Okay, VLAN 5 accounting dash. Okay, VLAN 10 admin. If you see the subinterface belongs to 5.129 and 10. 5.128 VLAN 10 admin. Okay, and another VLAN 99. Okay, VLAN 99 is not in use, so VLAN 1 is in use. Okay, and is this VLAN 1, the default VLAN, and belongs to this sub interface gigabit 00.1 6.1. So VLAN 1 here, VLAN 1 is the default VLAN, and also is the native default native. How you can see why is the native? Show interfaces track native VLAN 1, yeah, and is in use using port channels and management interfaces. Okay, and go back here and fast Ethernet 1 and fast Ethernet 1 is a mode access and should be connected to an end device and belongs to VLAN 5. Okay, VLAN 5 on fast Ethernet 1, but should be connected to an end device like a PC that belongs to this network 192.168.5.0. For example, PC4 5.83 subnet mask 128, and this subnet mask 25 is this in decimal 128. Very good, and belongs to this network on VLAN 5. 5.0 VLAN 5 5.83. So PC4 is connected to fast Ethernet 1 and belongs to VLAN 5. Very good. But now, show CDP networks. Remember, I'm on SWHQ2 on this switch. Enter. Okay, one network is SWHQ1. Very good. The virtual connection and two physical connections. And there is another connection using port channel 2. Okay. From using on the another side 21 and 22 ports and the virtual connection port channel 2. Show Ether channel summary. Now you can see port channel 2 on local switch is 21 and 22, and the another side 21 and 22. The another side is HQ3. Wait, 21 and 22. 21 and 22. Okay, Okay, and also you can add the description, the connection to HQ3 from HQ2 is port channel 2. Port channel 2. And the connection to HQ1 is port channel 1. Now, exit from SWHQ2, exit, telnet to 6.254. That is the another switch, Cisco enable class. Show running config, the IP address placed on VLAN 1, VLAN 1, and shows trunk ports 21, 22, and 23. Fast Ethernet 1 on VLAN 10 access should be connected to an end device. Okay, to VLAN 10. But VLAN 10 is this network 192.168.5.128. Okay, 5.128. Go to PC5. The IP address is 5.227 with this subnet mask and belongs to VLAN 10. 192.168.5.128. 227 for PC5. So PC5 should be connected. VLAN 10 and the IP address is .227. Okay, don't forget the IP address of PC4, 83. Use Fast Ethernet 1 to connect PC5. And show CDP neighbors. Okay, two neighbors, HQ1, HQ2, the connection to HQ1 port channel 3, the connection to HQ2 port channel 2, the connection to HQ2 port channel 2, the connection to HQ1 port channel 3, physical ports to HQ1, 24 and 23, 24 and 23, very good, to HQ2, 22 and 21, 21 and 22, very good. So that is enough. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, show IP interface brief, 21, 22, 23, 24, virtual interface, port channel 2 and 3 virtual interfaces, and 1 is active, connected to PC, and that is enough. Okay, exit from the switch, exit from HQ1. Okay, I forgot the IP addresses on gigabit 000 and on gigabit 001 on factory. Okay, now you are on HQ, exit from HQ. Now you are on hub and telnet to 192.168.0.14 to enter to factory. Cisco enable class show IP interface brief. Okay, 3.1 and 4.1, gigabit 00 and gigabit 001. Okay, very easy. 3.1 here. Okay, and 4.1 here. Okay, exit from factory, access to branch 2 on 192.168.06. 06 Cisco enable class show CDP networks, show IP route connected, show IP interface brief. Okay, two networks, hub up here and SWB2. Okay, so it's a switch, 2960 switch. SWB2. Local interface on router gigabit 00, on switch gigabit 01. The network on gigabit 00, they are 3 sub-interfaces. This is the network to the router hub. So I want these sub-interfaces here. 192.168.2.027, 192.168.2.3227, 192.168.2.64.27. And the IP addresses on the router 2.1, 2.33, 2.65. On the router 2.1, 2.33, 2.65. This is on gigabit 00, 0.1. 32 and 64. Okay, on the router, and I want to know the IP address of SWB2. Show CDP networks detail. Um, 2.17. Okay. 192.168.2.17. Here on the switch. This is the subnet. Access the switch. 217. Telnet 192.168.2.17. Cisco enable class show running config. IP on VLAN 1. Okay, show VLAN brief. I want to know the VLANs 1, 32, and 64. Okay, look at here. sub interface 32. So 2.33 team 1 32 belongs here, belong 32 team 1. Okay, 64 team 2, 64 2.65, so belongs here to 64. Team 2 and belong 1 subinterface 1 2.1 belongs to 2.0. Belong 1 is default belong and also native. How to know why is the native? Show IP interfaces trunk. Show IP interface. Show interfaces trunk. No IP. Native belong 1. On gigabit 01, the connection to the router. And show running config. A lot of access ports. Review what ports are up. Show IP interface brief. Okay, virtual interface up, gigabit 01 connected to router, 12 up, and FastEthernet 1 up. 12 is connected to 64. Okay, so there is a VLAN 64 and 1 on VLAN 32 mode access. And now look at the IP address of PC6 2.48.224 and belongs to VLAN 32. Okay, VLAN 32 PC6. So PC6 on VLAN 32 and PC7 267 belongs to VLAN 64. 2.64 2.67. So PC7 on VLAN 64. And 32 FastEthernet 1 and 1264. FastEthernet 1 to 32 and 12 to 64. And the IP address is 6 is 48 and 7 is 67. Okay, exit from the switch, exit from branch, and very good. Exit from hub, exit from branch 1. Okay, for example, to internet server, you can make a tracer 203.0.133.27 tracer to internet server. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4 hops. The fourth is the server. Okay, now tracer to PC2. PC2 IP address. 192.168.3.50. 192.168.3.50. 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4 to PC4. 83 on VLAN 5. 5.83. 5.83. 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. PC7. On VLAN 64. 2.67. 2.67. 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. You can complete this table very easily if you have this topology with IP addresses and interfaces. Okay. Thank you very much.